Hey everybody, today we're going to look at this Puma by Palomino, and we're looking at model number 31FKRK. So let's go right into it. Now normally at the front of a travel trailer you have storage, but this is a different kind of one. You'll see when we get inside. Awning, huge awning, covers 2/3 of the entire side, which is amazing. You do have a little outdoor kitchen, little griddle, right? Greystone griddle. And then you've got a little sort of, I call it a micro fridge. It's kind of smaller than normal, but it's nice. All right. You want to put a TV out here. There's already a mount for it right there. And there's power and cable if you want to. Now this is kind of neat, right? You got full glass window right there. It's kind of neat. All right. As far as your suspension goes, your basic suspension. All right. Castle Rock ST tires. So you may want to upgrade that after a little bit of time. Those aren't the best. They're okay. Right in the back, you got your tire mounted to the bumper, so you don't have to go looking for it. You also have your ladder, which gets up to the roof. So if you want to service the roof, there's a ladder already there. It is pre-wired for a Furrion backup camera, and your power connection is in the back. All right, it's a 50 amp. Now there are two slides that come off this side, and they're pretty big. All right, your sewer connect is right there. Now there is some storage underneath here. Actually, there's huge storage underneath here. So you're pretty good for some storage back here. All right. There's a little outdoor shower there. And look at this. There is this little tiny little storage thing right here. This is locked, so I can't get in there right now. But up in the front, you do have an electric jack, so you don't have to worry about cranking that up. And you got two 30-pound propane tanks. And you got this great front little windshield thing. All right, so let's go inside. Well, hey there, fancy meeting you here. Yeah, by the way, right when you come in the door, just to your right is your control panel. So everything you need to do is right there, right when you walk in the door. And it's up high enough so the little kids aren't messing with it. So, looks like you're in a recliner right there.
Yeah.
Nice and comfortable.
It is very.
And guess what you're sitting across from?
Right, the fireplace.
And the fireplace. Yeah. And the TV. People up north need the fireplace right now. We need air conditioning.
Yeah.
85 degrees, 86 degrees. But what's nice is this is it's a 39-inch TV, but it's right across from the chairs, so you have good position. Over there where I was sitting, you have another sofa, and that folds out into a bed. So there's a nice little living room here. Space to seat four.
That checks off one of our lists.
It does, right?
Our search.
And right above there, life's an adventure. Enjoy the ride. Now down here, look at what's in the front.
Look at all this counter space. There's only one other time that I've seen this much counter space in a travel trailer. So
That's amazing.
Great. Yes, yes.
That is beautiful.
This has got the really big stainless sink.
Yeah.
The nice residential faucet.
And there's that kind of windshield, right? So if you're sitting here doing the dishes, you can see out and see what's going on.
Absolutely.
You got a little corner cabinet on that side, more on this side.
Cabinets over here.
Nice.
Some drawers.
Excellent.
Yep.
There's your stove, 3-burner with an oven,
Yep.
microwave. You've got your Everchill. I believe this is 12 volt. Yep. Awesome. Is this a pantry right here?
There's a pantry.
Wow, look at this. That is a huge pantry, boy. You could store a lot of food in there. Lots of hoarding. You can have hoarding. All right, let's tap on this. Okay, guys, pet peeve. That thing, paper thin. If you put any sort of weight on there, it's just gonna buckle. All right, so manufacturers, look, it's probably 5 more pounds. Put something a little more solid in the pantries, okay? If you're gonna buy this and store anything in there, you're gonna have to reinforce that, guys. All right, so let's go to the back. What's back here? Whoa, look at that. That is a huge bed. That looks actually bigger than the king. It's so big. All right, yeah, you got some cool, neat little corner things to put your stuff on, but I don't see any power back there, but there is one right there, and there is one right there. So there is access to power. There's some storage right here. The bed does go up so you can store stuff underneath. And look at this closet right there. Look at how, I mean, this is just, you can store all kinds of stuff in here. You got hanging rack in there. It goes all the way through. Lots of storage. And you got a little storage there as well. 3 drawers, and your TV would go up here. But here's one of my favorite things. there's another closet in here, and guess what goes in here? The washer and dryer. A travel trailer that you can put in a washer and dryer. Full size. Guys, you don't see that very often. That's one of the things on our list.
That checks off two things.
That checks off 2 things on our list. Guys, let us know what you think of this one. All right, give us a thumbs up if you like it, all right?
We've got one more door to check.
We do?
We do.
Oh my God, I must be getting tired. What did we miss?
Be getting tired.
No!
Go!
No!
Go!
Oh, you know what time it is?
It's time for
Tallman's Toilet Test.
We fit in this one too. This has been really good. We've been on a good run of finding bathrooms we fit in. Plenty of width, plenty of length. So this definitely gets. All right, now, right across from me is the sink. So when you're done, you don't even have to get up from the toilet. You can just wash your hands while you're still sitting on the toilet. Underneath, a little bit of storage. It's hard to see. It's just a little bit because there's some piping down there, but there's a little bit, okay? Up top, there is a little medicine chest. All right, so you get to store some stuff up in there. Just got a nice little fan up there. All right. Hi, Mom! All right, over here, this is where you keep your linens. All right, I love to see that these guys put a closet in there so you can put your towels and stuff, right? You're in the bathroom. I don't want to have to go out into the kitchen to find my towels. Let's try the shower, shall we? All right, so we're here in the shower. Now, look, my head's in the bubble. Even though it's in the bubble, I would just barely fit under the roof too. So there's plenty of space. The shower head's in the right position. There's plenty of room left to right. This is not bad. It's actually a little bit bigger than a shower in a cruise ship if you've been in one of those. Now the doors are just a little low, but not bad. So there might be a little bit of splashing that goes over. Okay, other than that, this is getting a... We went in the Puma here, the 31FKRK.
Oh, that's one of my favorites. You do get that king bed. Which
Yeah.
is my favorite.
And a washer dryer, right?
That's my favorite.
Yeah.
And the front kitchen setup.
Yeah, front kitchen,
You get
2
the,
sofas or
you get
the
front
recliner
window,
and the
too.
sofa.
Oh,
Yeah.
you get the recliner, but here's the thing too. So that sofa actually turns into a bed.
Yep.
So even though it's like more of a couple style,
Yep.
you still
Yeah, you can have guests
bring
over.
some
Yeah.
guests. So this is one of my favorites. She's a beast. She's heavy. But if you have the right rig to tow, I mean, I'll definitely do it all day. But this is very nice. One of my favorite floor plans.
Absolutely. What's your name?
My name's Mike.
Mike Robert,
It's such a pleasure, brother.
AKA the Tall Man. All right, so what do you think of this Puma, right? Wasn't this an amazing design? A washer and dryer, full size, in a travel trailer. I've never seen that. That is amazing. Let us know what you think of having a washer and dryer in a travel trailer. Leave a comment down there, right? Now, if you just found us for the first time, thank you so much for watching the video. Come on back again, hit the subscribe, hit the like, do whatever you want. But you know what? We'll see you again soon. Be safe.